Alex, can I admit something?
Always?
In meetings, I try to use big words to sound professional.
And?
I get nervous, and then I make grammar mistakes.
That's very common.
I feel like simple English sounds childish.
That's the biggest myth in business English.
Really?
Absolutely. Clear English sounds smart. Complicated English sounds confusing.
So I don't need impressive vocabulary?
No, you need clean grammar and confident structure.
Okay, teach me smart but simple.
Let's start with something powerful. Clear verb tenses.
That sounds serious already.
It's simple. In meetings, most communication is about three things: past results, current status, future plans.
That's true.
So use simple structures.
For past results?
Past simple.
Example?
We completed the project last week.
Clean. Clear.
Exactly. No drama.
What about current status?
Present simple or present continuous.
Like,
We are working on phase 2.
that sounds professional already.
Because it's clear.
And future plans?
Use will for decisions or going to for planned actions.
Example?
We will send the report tomorrow, or we're going to launch next month.
That already feels easier than trying to sound advanced.
Exactly. Simplicity wins.
What else makes people sound smart in meetings?
Sentence starters.
Oh, yes, I struggle with that.
Try these simple ones. I think. I suggest. In my opinion. From my perspective.
Those aren't big words.
But they sound structured.
Sometimes I panic and say, maybe we can, I don't know, possibly.
That weakens your message.
So what should I say?
Say, I recommend we focus on X.
That sounds confident.
Confidence comes from structure, not vocabulary.
What about agreeing and disagreeing?
Very important.
I usually just say, yes, yes.
Try, I agree with that, or that makes sense.
That's easy.
For polite disagreement, I see your point, but
Oh, that's powerful.
it's respectful and professional.
I sometimes say, no, that's wrong.
Dangerous in meetings.
I know.
Instead, say, I'm not sure that will work, or maybe we should consider another option.
That sounds diplomatic.
Exactly.
What about asking questions?
Keep grammar clean. Instead of, you explain again, say, could you explain that again?
Polite and clear.
Also, avoid long, complicated sentences.
I try to translate from my language.
That creates grammar errors.
So short sentences are okay?
They're powerful.
Give me a full, smart example.
Okay? Last quarter, we increased sales by 10%. Currently, we're focusing on expanding our marketing strategy. Next month, we'll introduce a new campaign.
That sounds like a manager speaking.
But the grammar is basic.
You're right. Past simple, present continuous, future with will.
Exactly.
So the secret is control, not complexity.
Perfect sentence.
I think I've been overthinking English.
Most professionals do.
Let me summarize for everyone listening.
Go ahead.
Use simple tenses clearly. Use structured sentence starters. Avoid translating complicated thoughts. Keep sentences short.
Excellent summary.
I already feel more confident about my next meeting.
And remember,
Smart English is clear English.
Exactly.
Thank you, Alex.
Anytime.
And to everyone listening,
Stop chasing big words.
start mastering simple grammar.